Today we are going to make spicy and delicious chicken tacos at home. So follow the recipe till the end, and trust me, you're going to love it. This recipe turns out super flavorful, juicy, and absolutely delicious. For making the tacos, first take some chicken breast and cut it into small bite-sized pieces, just like this. Now add taco spices to the chicken and mix it well. Marinate the chicken for at least 1 hour. You can buy taco seasoning from any grocery store. But if you want to make taco spices at home using normal ingredients, comment spices, and I'll share the homemade spice recipe with you. While the chicken is marinating, let's prepare the vegetables. First, chop a red onion into small cube pieces. Then chop some tomatoes into cubes the same size as the onion. Next, cut a lime into thin slices so it's easy to squeeze later. We'll use this lime on top of the tacos before eating. Now take a white onion and slice it like this, so that all the onion layers separate nicely after chopping. After that, chop capsicum. I'm using 1 green and 1 red capsicum and cutting them into cube pieces just like the onion and tomatoes. Finally, chop some green chilies to make the tacos extra spicy and flavorful. Keep all the vegetables aside. Now heat a pan and add some oil. After 1 hour of marination, add the chicken to the hot pan. Cook the chicken for 10 to 15 minutes on medium heat. Once the chicken is 90 to 95% cooked, add the chopped capsicum, white onion, and green chilies. Cook everything together for another 3 to 5 minutes. Now the chicken filling is ready. Now it's time to assemble the tacos. First, take a crispy corn taco shell. Add the cooked chicken inside. Then add some chopped red onions, followed by chopped tomatoes. Finally, add my special homemade sauce. Trust me, this sauce tastes amazing with tacos, sandwiches, burgers, and even fried chicken. If you want the recipe for this sauce, comment sauce, and I'll share it with you. Now, let's make tortilla tacos. Take a tortilla and add mozzarella cheese first. Then add the cooked chicken, followed by some onions and tomatoes. Place the tortilla on a hot pan and toast it lightly, so the cheese melts nicely and we get a perfect cheese pull. Once done, remove it from the pan, open the tortilla, and add the special sauce inside. And here you go, spicy, tangy, cheesy, and super flavorful chicken tacos. The taste is truly out of this world. Try this recipe at home. You're going to love it. If you need to know anything, feel free to text me or comment below. And if you like this recipe, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Till then, happy cooking!